Okay, in the yard this afternoon we've got a little Indespension 6x4 ramped trailer. Lights are working, watch the rest of the video. Got really good tyres, good solid floor, comes with a spare wheel. Front marker lights are working, brakes are working, I'll show you in a minute. Got the key for the hitch. I'll try and show you the brakes while it's here. We can roll it about freely like that. What I'm trying to do is pull it forward. There you go. And it ain't moving now. I've towed it around locally with the lawnmower in. No warm bearings, no noisy bearings. Great little trailer for someone, £995, no VAT, ready to go to work.